here's something for you people pleasers out there. And it's something I've only learned recently myself, so it's a pleasure for me to be able to share it today. Saying no is a virtue. So very much like derailment, saying yes is a derailment factor. Saying no, like caution, like self-discipline, like diligence, is also a positive trait. Why? Because successful people say no a good deal of the time. Why? Because they cannot possibly fit in all of the things that they want to do, because they're so successful, they have to make choices. So when you are actually saying no to something or someone, what you are doing is you are reaffirming your goals and reaffirming your values. And the second thing about saying no, apart from successful people do it, so that's a really positive thing, is that when we say no, think about it. When someone said no to you, maybe you have been disappointed, but you haven't stopped being friends with them necessarily, unless they've just said no all the time and that was what your friendship was based on. But actually, I've had the most trouble with people who said yes, and then it's just turned out to be such a nightmare because they've been flaky, or I've had to squeeze what I want out of them even though they said yes, or they whinge about it the whole time. It's far worse. And then I don't want to hang around with them anymore. So I respect people who say no, because I actually think if you said no politely and as soon as you know, then it makes me go, right, we've now got time to go and ask somebody else, or now got time to go and do something else. So really think about that. Saying no is a virtue.